Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Today I'm gonna make you some cow foot. So this is the cow foot that I'll be using. So these are all my ingredients. So here I have all-purpose seasoning, everyday seasoning, black pepper, pimento seed, browning. These are all my herbs. You got cachemonic pepper, spring onions, garlic, and thyme. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season my meat. Make sure your meat is all clean and all fresh. So I'm gonna use 1 spoonful of the all-purpose seasoning, and 1 spoonful of the everyday seasoning. And this is my black pepper and my pimento seed. 1 spoonful of the black pepper. And I'm gonna add my browning. This is what gonna give it the color. That's 1 teaspoonful, because you don't need a lot of it, otherwise it's gonna be really dark. And I'm gonna add all my herbs. And I'm gonna also add some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna also add some vegetable oil, because I'm gonna leave it in my fridge overnight to marinate. So I'm just gonna take my hand and just massage it. You can always use a gloves if you like, especially that cachemonic pepper. But I'm used to using my hands, so I'm just using it. But it's best you use a gloves if you can. So my cow foot is all seasoning, and this is how it look. So I'm just gonna leave it overnight in the fridge to marinate for at least 9 hours. Hi guys, so my cow foot has been marinated, and this is how it look. So here I have a pot on my stove, so I'm gonna add 3 spoons of oil to it. So my oil is hot, so I'm just gonna add my cow foot, because I'm gonna brown them. So I'm gonna leave it for 3 minutes to brown on each side. So it's been 3 minutes, so I'm just gonna turn it now. So what I did, I add 2 cups of boiling hot water to my pot. So this is how it look. Just make sure you put enough water, because cow foot take long to cook, and you can always use a pressure cooker for it to cook quicker, but I'm just cooking it just like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a bit more browning to it. And I'm gonna allow it to cook, guys, for at least 1.5 hours, and I'll come back to you. and make sure your stove is on medium. And one thing, if the water is reducing, you can always add more water to it. Okay? So my cow food been cooking for 1.5 hours, and this is how it look. It's not finished. As what I was telling you earlier, it takes long to cook. It's very tough. You have to have patience, or else you just use your pressure cooker. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave it to cook for at least another 1 hour, and I'll come back and show you guys how it look. And I also top up my water. I keep topping it up. So my cow foot, guys, been cooking for at least 4 hours. I'm telling you, this cow foot is so tough. It's best you use a pressure cooker to cook your cow foot unless you have the patience to wait. But it's almost finished. You can see the fork go right in, so that's okay. So here I have a bowl here with some tomato, onions, and some bell pepper. So I'm just gonna pour it in there. And I'm gonna also add some ketchup. So this is 2 spoonfuls of ketchup. And I'm also gonna add some black pepper, some salt, and some all-purpose seasoning. That's half a teaspoonful of everything. And then I'm gonna make it come to a boil. Then I add my butter bean. So I'm gonna taste it now. I forget to taste it. That's perfectly fine. That tastes so good. So my cow foot has come to a boil, so I'm just gonna add my butter bean. So I just add my butter bean. So I'm gonna allow it to cook down for at least 20 minutes so the gravy became thick. And my stove is gonna be on medium, covered. So my cow food is finally finished, guys, and it's looking absolutely delicious. My gravy is all thick. This is exactly how I want it. I'm having it with some rice and peas. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.